So hey guys, I'm Larry, and right now I'm having motorcycle problems. My battery keeps going dead. So I went to Walmart and got me a battery for under $65, and I give them the cord back. I mean my old battery, I will get $12 back. So we're going to see if this battery's going to make my motorcycle run. LJ, you think it's going to run?
Yes.
We gotta hurry up before it gets dark so we can take a ride. Just gonna slide this back in here. You wanna come closer? Look what I'm trying to put it into. Oh, it fits in there, guys. They gave me new screws so I can put inside of my bike. I have my old screws here. Oh, don't worry about it, LJ. I got new screws. So, guys, let's forget about those because we got new screws, okay? So now, I'm gonna bust these good old screws open, right? Make sure I hold on to these ones very tight. We're gonna put this one in the inside of here, just like so. We're not gonna hook up the positive first. We're gonna hook up the negative first, okay? Get your other washer. It's called a washer. See? This is our screw, okay? We're gonna make sure we get all our cords, our power cords together that matches. That cord with that cord, that cord with that cord, that cord with that cord, okay? So we got all our washers and screws. Are you ready, LJ?
Yep.
All right, here we go. I'm about to slide this one in here. Is it gonna fit? It fit, guys. We're gonna hold that right there. Hold this right here. Hold this one right here. Come on the other side, LJ. So as you guys can see, right here, I have all my cords. So I'm gonna put it in here. Put it in there. Come over top, LJ. Come right here. Yeah, you see, guys? Right there. I got my screw, so I'm gonna put it inside of here. So now we're gonna just twist it a little bit. Get my handy tool. Gonna screw it in, screw it in, screw it in. Good job, LJ. Make sure it's in there very good. So we got our wires grounded. We're in there, okay? So now, are you ready, LJ?
Yep.
The last final step. We're going to hook up our positive. This is going to give us all the juice, okay? So we're going to hook it up there. Hook it up here. Hold on, guys. Got a little problem going on there. Hook it up there. Hook it up there. Put your screw in here. Come over top, LJ, again. Put your screw in there like that. Oh, right in there like that. You see that, guys? So I'm gonna screw it down. Bam, bam, bam. Screw it down. Screw it down. Good job, LJ. All right, let me use my tool. All right, so now we're gonna put my tool back because it's pretty sharp, okay? Yeah, put that tool back. So now we're gonna take this, make sure it's covered up. Make sure it's covered up. Bam. We're gonna take it back over top, LJ. We're gonna lock this battery on down so no one can steal it or it flops out or get loose. There it is. Move these out the way. Connections out the way. And you gotta hook it in there some type of way. Some type of way here, guys. 20 years later. God, guys, this little rubber piece is really flexing back on me. There we go. Get yourself on there. There we go. Locked. Where's my seat? Let's get the seat. Back up a little bit for me. We're gonna test it. You ready? guys ready? First test.
It worked!
So our problem is solved now, right?
Yep.
Let's turn it back off. It worked.
It worked.
So the battery we got
It worked.
from Walmart for a 2004 Honda Cbr600. You need this battery right here. Yeah. Walmart's the best. Go to Walmart to get your battery. You know, that's LJ's, that's Dad's, and that's LJ's ride. You know, that's LJ's ride. LJ, your bike ready? Your bike ready? My bike ready? I'm juiced up now. I do need to go get some gas because I don't have any gas right now. As you can see, I'm a little pretty low. But the bike works excellent. Got to get my shield, you know, just here's and there's. Here's and there's, man. What's the Cbr600? You know, beautiful bike. Then my son, he got his Razor dirt bike. We put the light in the front so at night they can see him. He got his helmet, you know. I got my helmet. The girls, you know, safety first.
I got 2 helmets.
You got 2 helmets? Yep. So we be riding, don't we? Riding and gliding and sliding. We about to roll out, guys. So we'll hit y'all back in a minute. All right.